Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can lock and unlock objects on Canva. So I'm just going to add in some shapes here, for instance this and like that. I'm just going to make this larger, and I'm also going to make it a different color too, like that. For instance, I only want to move this, and let's grab another shape. I only want to move these two around, and I can't do that if that image is also selected. So an easy way to make sure that you only select that, like those two objects, is you're going to select this shape and you're going to then press the lock button. So 3 dots here, and just press the lock button. So if you want to move these two around freely, this won't be selected because it's locked, as you guys can see. But that's pretty much how you can like lock and unlock. To unlock, you're just going to press the same button, select this and press the unlock button, and select it and press the unlock button, and you can now move that around. So yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!